How to log out all devices on Hulu. Hi guys, in this video we'll teach you how you'll be able to log out all the devices on your Hulu account. So simply go ahead and log in into your Hulu account, and here you'll be able to manage your activated devices. In order for you to remove unwanted devices or logging out for all the computers, you can simply click on this blue or hyperlinked information and you will be directed to the steps on how you'll be able to log out. So all you have to do is go to your account page, and under your account section, go to privacy and settings and go to protect your account. Here, there will be a pop-up screen, and just simply click log out all computers to log out all web browsers except the one that you're currently using, here with your changing or updating the device's protection. And that's basically it. That's how you'll be able to log out all devices here with your Hulu account. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!